8th class student, exercise 1D, rational numbers, question 7. Question 7 is verify first part. First part is 3/7 into small bracket 5/6 plus 12/13 equal 3/7 into 5/6 bracket close plus 3/7 into 12/30 bracket close. Take the LCM in bracket, left hand side, multiply. LCM is 66, 13 ja 78. After LCM, 5 into 13, 5 into 13 plus 12 into 6, cross multiply by numerator and denominator, and 3 into 12 upon 7 into 30. After LCM it is same, 65, 13 5 ja 12 6 ja 72 equal 3 2 ja 6, 5/7 2 ja 14 plus 12 3 ja 36 and 7 13 7 ja 91. 3/7 into after plus 78 7 30 equal, remove the bracket, 5/12 plus 36/90. Left hand side is multiply 3 into 137/7 into 78. LCM is 19, 2 ja 182, divide by 14 plus 36 into 2, 182 divide by 14, 14 1 ja 14, 1 3 ja 30. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 6 ja 137 upon 7 6 जा 42 82 is equal to LCM. It is same 65 plus 72. 137 upon 182 equal 137 that is left hand side equal right hand side. Hence proved. Second part. First part is complete. Second part is seventh question. Minus 15 upon 4 minus 15 upon 4 into small bracket 3 upon 7 plus minus 12 upon 5 bracket close equal first bracket minus 15 upon 4 into 3 upon 7 plus minus 15 upon 4 into minus 12 upon 5 minus 15 upon 4 it is same multiply plus minus minus 3 upon 7 minus. Now the make the plus change into sign minus. First bracket plus second bracket. At first multiply the sign 15 into 3 4 into 7 minus minus plus 15 into 12 upon 4 into 5. Take the LCM 15 upon 4 LCM is 7 and 5 35 3 into 5 minus 12 into 7 equal 15 3 जा 45 upon 7 4 जा 28 plus 4 3 जा 12 45 upon 5 3 जा 15 9 upon 3 3 जा 9 9 upon 1 minus 15 upon 4 it is same multiply 15 minus 12 7 जा 84 upon 35 equal remove the bracket 40 minus 45 upon 28 plus 9 upon 1 minus 15 upon 4 into after minus the 9 7 6 minus sign LCM 1 and 28 is 28 minus 45 plus 1 divided by 28 28 28 9 जा plus 9 into 28. Minus minus plus 15 into 64, 69 upon 4 into 35. 5 3 जा 15, 5 7 जा 7 4 जा 28, 3 9 जा 27, 3 9 जा 27, 2 carry, 3 6 जा 18 और 2 207 equal minus 45 plus 9 2 जा 72 7, 19 2 जा 18, 7 carry, 18 7 28 equal 207 upon 28. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Second part is complete. Third part is minus first bracket in minus 8 upon 3 minus 2 13 upon 12 multiply by 5 upon 6 equal first bracket minus 8 upon 3 into 5 upon 6 plus minus 13 upon 12 into 5 upon 6. That is question. Five upon 6 it is same, plus minus minus, minus 8 upon 3 minus 13 upon 12. Left hand side is plus minus minus 8 into 5 upon 3 into 6 plus minus minus 13 into 5 upon 12 into 6. Take the LCM in left hand side. 3 and 12 LCM is 12. Minus 8 into divided by 3 4 minus 13 into 1 multiply 5 upon 6 it is same. 2 divided by 4 2 3 is 6 minus 4 5 is 20 3 3 is 9 plus minus 13 5 is 65 12 6 is 72 minus 34 8 4 is 34 13 1 is 13 LCM it is same into 5 upon 6 equal remove the bracket 20 plus minus minus 65 upon 72 LCM it is same minus 45 into 5 upon 6 it is same equal take the LCM 9 and 72 is 72 minus 20 into divided by 72 by 9 is 8 minus 65 into 1 प्लस माइनस माइनस 45 into 5 upon 12 into 6. LCM it is same 72. 800 minus 160 minus 65. After multiply minus 225 upon 72 equal minus 225 upon 72. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Third part is complete. Fourth part. Fourth part is minus 16 upon 7 multiply small bracket minus 8 upon 9 into not into is plus minus 7 upon 6 equal minus 16 upon 7 into minus 8 upon 9 plus minus 16 upon 7 into minus 7 upon 6. That is question. Minus 16 upon 7 it is same. Multiply minus 8 upon 9 plus minus minus 7 upon 6 is equal to minus minus plus 16 into 8 upon 7 into 9 plus minus minus plus 16 into 7 upon 7 into 6. Take the LCM in left hand side. 6 and 9. LCM is 18 minus 8 into 2 minus 7 into 3. After divide by each numerator, each denominator from the LCM. 7 9 ja 63. 7 divided by 7. 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 8. 8 upon 3 in this bracket. 8 6 ja 48. 4 carry. 8 1 ja 8 or 4 1 to 8. Minus 16 upon 7 multiply LCM it is same. 8 2 ja 16, 7 3 ja 21. Remove the bracket this side. 128 upon 63 plus 8 upon 3. Take the LCM. Minus 16 upon 7 into after minus 37 upon 18 is equal to LCM is 63. 1 to 8 into 1 plus 8 into 21 multiply by minus minus plus 16 into 37 upon 7 into 18 is equal to multiply by 1 1 to 8 plus 168. LCM it is same. 2 divided by 8, 2 9. 7 9 जा 63, 8 7 जा 56, 5 carry, 8 3 जा 24, 24 और 5 29 is equal to 63, 6, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Thank you.